Integrating Mailchimp with Zapier allows you to automate tasks like adding new subscribers to your Mailchimp list or sending automated campaigns based on actions in other apps. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for Zapier. Visit Zapier.com and sign up for a free account or log in. Create a new Zap. After logging in, click Create Zap to begin the automation process. Choose a trigger app. Select the app you want to integrate with Mailchimp, such as Google Sheets, Shopify, or Form Submission. Choose a trigger event. Connect Mailchimp. For the Action app, search for Mailchimp and select it. Choose the action you want, like add or update subscriber or send campaign. Connect your Mailchimp account by logging in and granting access to Zapier. Map data to Mailchimp. Map the trigger data to Mailchimp fields, such as email address, first name or list name. Customize the action as per your requirements. Test and activate the Zap. Test the workflow to ensure it functions correctly. Once verified, click Turn on Zap to activate the automation.